Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Guess what? This is an unusual thing I've never seen before, and I've been around mobile homes a lot. This is a Marlette, M-A-R-L-E-T-T-E mobile home, and it actually has instead of a slide out that you see in campers, this has a tilt out, so it rolls back. In this case, they actually built a roof over it, like building a barn over a mobile home to keep the roof from having an issue. I don't do that. Even if people want to pay me to do it, I won't do it. Just a waste of time. A lot of money. It's not a waste, but it's a lot of money to do the same thing that I can do. If somebody else wants to do it, they can build it. But they built it over here, and you can see the slope right here. And then this trim that you would put in. But this thing is sloped that way so that you can roll it in. And I'll show you. Come on in with me. And this is a ceiling that's sloped the same way. So this part would have laid down in here. And there's a hinge. If you look down here, big hinge all the way down. So all of this would have laid down back here and then opened up, and then you would have trimmed it out. That's pretty unusual. I've not ever seen one. I'm sure there's somebody that has. Marlette, I looked it up, and they've been in business for 60 years. I guess they're still rolling. But anyway, I thought I'd mention to you what I think is unusual, show you what I think is unusual. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.